Hi there, and welcome to Tammy Talk TV, where we share ways to build a healthy, happy life. Today, it's Tammy Tip Tuesday, and on Tip Tuesday, I share one tip a week related to a common theme. Our current theme is word magic, how to craft magic with words, because words are our most inexhaustible source of magic. Now, we've already talked about how words can change people's lives and how they outlive us and can make us absolutely immortal. But now let's start drilling down and talk about some very specific words. And so today I want to talk about a word that has a long history in the magic community, abracadabra, which may bring a smile to your face because when we think of children doing magic tricks, that's the word we think about is abracadabra. Do you know what abracadabra means? It means as I speak, so I create. Isn't that the absolute root of the law of attraction? That thoughts become things. Words become things. As I speak, so I create. So whether we speak it to ourselves in our thoughts, or we speak it out loud to someone else, or we write it down, which is simply another form of speech, we're giving that thought energy and we are actually creating with it. And we have to be very careful with our words because they do create our reality. You know, I've said for years that when you say something, you actually give it energy. So if you say something, even in joking, that you're giving it energy. When you call someone by name, you're giving them authority. You're giving them energy. So we have to be careful with our words, even our thoughts, because those are still our words. And what we say to ourselves is far more important than what we say to others. So we have to be particularly careful about what we say to ourselves, because as we speak, so we create. Now, to take that one step further, did you know that ancient people did not believe that we are people thinking? They believed that we are thoughts peopling. So it's like a question of what came first, the chicken or the egg, the person or the thought. We, again, believe in this scientific, physical world that the physicality came first and the thoughts came later. But do you think it's possible to exist without thoughts? So maybe you are a collection of your thoughts peopling, because your thoughts create your personality. Your thoughts even create your body image. Your thoughts create what you wear. So really, you are a collection of your thoughts peopling. It's a mind bender, huh? So over the course of the next few weeks, like I've said before, we're going to drill down on some specific words and phrases that we say just sort of offhand in any kind of common interaction that can be very powerful and we don't even realize it. We don't realize the power of our words, the abracadabra of it all. So over the course of the next week, be very careful about what you say to others and what you say to yourself. What kind of thoughts are you projecting? What kind of energy are you creating? What, in fact, are you manifesting into your own reality? And next week, we will talk about this more in depth and start to really focus on particular phrases that we use every day and we don't realize what sort of reality we're manifesting for ourselves by using them. So tune in next Tuesday, and until then, here's wishing you much health and happiness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you get a reminder when there's a new video.